There's a test to see how the math goes on.
Oh, that's weird.
Okay, hi. I have
Guys, Matthew has his phone in his mouth, and I don't know.
Matthew cannot land this freaking bottle.
Oh yeah, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me.
See, he can't land it.
I'm technically doing better than him because I did it backwards and I landed it first try. I did it from here, landed it first try. He tried so hard. Oh, on camera! On camera! I did it. No, it's your turn to fail. I did it.
On camera, I catch it, guys. Alright, dude, I'm awesome here.
Okay. I'm chilling over here in the clothes pile.
Matthew signing out. Alright, so we're playing Jenga today. Build the Jenga board in West 422. So now. We're gonna see what happens if we move one of these. Okay, so that's not what's on these. That's obviously not. That's it. That's it.
Yep.
The car stayed up. And that looks like something that would crash into a building, though.
That's the Prius. Okay, guys, look. He cleared it all off.
What?
Ready? Sit.
Action. And it's all for this time. See you guys look them by.